Hey everyone, yesterday I did an unboxing of this. This is the Trezor Model T. And in the past I've done unboxings of the Ledger Nano S, if this comes in focus, and the Trezor Model 1. So I've unboxed these and reviewed these. Very good options. I've did unboxings of these two as well, but I haven't reviewed them yet. They will come, I promise. I will do a review soon. This is the KeepKey, and I've also got the Jubiter credit card size crypto wallet. Now, all of these devices work in a similar way. They kind of act as 2FA devices, and you connect these to a mobile phone or a computer, and you will use the company's application to check funds and send and receive cryptocurrency. It's a very good way to store cryptocurrency, and you know, I've said this many times, but you should always try and look after your own funds rather than leaving funds on an exchange. That being said, you can store funds on a service such as Coinbase, and many people do. You can use a paper wallet, you can use a QT wallet or a desktop wallet or a mobile wallet. There's a lot of ways to store cryptocurrency, and inside here is another way to store cryptocurrency. Inside here, what I've got is a physical Bitcoin. Now, this was kindly sent to me from a company called Denarium. I do appreciate the company doing that, because I've actually really wanted to have one of these for a while. I saw these at World CryptoCon and at the cryptocurrency conference in Vegas, and if you've never seen one of these before, kind of looks like a big gold poker chip, and contained within it, sometimes protected by a hologram or something, is a Bitcoin address, a physical Bitcoin address. But what you need is the hidden private key to actually get your funds. So even if someone stole the coin, they couldn't actually get your funds. That's the theory behind it. I don't want to delve into what's the most secure as far as, you know, a physical hardware wallet or a coin or a paper wallet. I'll leave that to someone else. But what I would like to do in this video is just quickly show you the company and show you what they actually sell. And then I'll do an unboxing and we can see what this physical Bitcoin is all about. So let's jump over to my browser, and you can see the website here. Denarium, the perfect gift and collectible, elegant, convenient, secure. And if you go to scroll down here, you can see here they've got a gold-plated collection, premium collection, gold collection. They've got gold bars there. Look at that. It's hard to really get an appreciation for how nice these things are at this point on the website. I don't think they're doing justice with these images. But the one that they've sent me is this one. Denarium Custom Gold Plated 2018. That's the one they said in email that they've sent me. And if you look through the images here, you can see this is what it's going to be looking like. I'll give you a preview of the unboxing. Now, as far as these kind of display boxes, you can see down here that you've got coin box 6 and 4. I suspect that's what those additional, the additional fee is there. Now, here it's got €29.90 excluding VAT. So it will cost more than that once you add VAT for your country. And you can actually load up Bitcoin there as well. So this will increase the total price of the product if you do want Bitcoin stored on it. So for example, if you want 0.5 Bitcoin or 0.1 or 2 Bitcoin or something like that stored on the coin, they can store it for you, but you still need to activate it. And what they said to me in email is that you should also receive a separate email with an email code that is needed for the activation of your coin when you have received it. The coin comes with a verification code as well, and both are needed to access the coin activation page. We suggest coin activation to every customer to make sure the physical Bitcoin is in great condition after sending, and no one has the possibility of tampering with the product during sending. That's a very good thing. It's very good practice for them to do, I think, because of course when this is shipped to you, it's going through a delivery service. UPS, DHL would deliver mine, but you never know who's getting access to these things. So it's good to have this additional security. Now, the company itself is based in Finland. I haven't bought from them myself. As I said earlier on, they did send this to me for an unboxing. So, yep, heads up, you do know that. They haven't paid me for this review. So my reaction could be this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Or it could be that I don't like it. We shall see. But I am a fan of these. I have seen them at conferences, and I think they do look very good. So that's the company there, and you can see there's been a lot of reviews of them. That's the perfect gift and collectible. Right, so enough talking about what physical Bitcoins are. Let's get this open and let's see what it's like. So here we go. Inside the box, we've got it all packaged up in nice bubble wrap. And then you've got the box, and it's actually a nice little zipper bag. And it's like a Russian doll set up here. Look at this. They've sent me, what's this? Turkish pepper licorice or peber. Never heard of that before, but I will try it out. Thank you. No, thank you. Thank you, guys. And then we've got the actual package here. Now we've got an envelope here. So I have removed the packing slip which had my name and address and all that on it. We've got a letter here, just a little piece of paper that's saying thank you for your interest. We've created your order for you. We've got it's kind of like a brochure, I guess. You know, it's just a little catalogue explaining what they do and how it's all designed. The private key, the hologram. It's quite cool. And we've got the user manual that explains how you can spend your coin and how you do it all. It's actually quite nice, you know, how it's all packaged together. We've got I'm hodling it. Looks like it's some cards and stickers. Quite nice. More stickers over here. And of course, the best, the licorice. Right, with that out the way, let's do the unboxing of the coin itself. Oh, this is nice. This is like a nice soft touch kind of leather type of thing. It's really nice. So let's see this. Look at that, eh? We'll do that again. Look at this. Slow motion. That's really nice. And now you can see why I was saying this is nice as a collectible or as a gift. If you open it up, you've got the coin there. It's got the address kind of hidden there in the background and the coin there. You've got the coin there and it's all kind of packaged up. Let's see if there's anything else underneath the box. I don't think there is. So there's nothing else in the box. It's just a, you know, it's just for presentation. What I'm going to do is open this up. It almost feels like a real waste that I'm opening this here. It really does. But I do want to show you guys what it's all about. So I want to open it up and show you what it's like close up. So there's the card without the wrapping. But of course I'm going to open this up and we'll see what it's like closer. But I'll just get this up to the camera. Very nice. Now I remember when I was in Las Vegas, David Emily from Bitcoin Z gave me a little coin. Now obviously this isn't as nice as this. I would say this is nicer, but this was quite cool as well. This one has like a micro SD card slot at the back. Okay, I hate to do it, but I'm going to open this up. So the way that this is kind of designed, it's almost like it shouldn't be opened. It shouldn't be opened. But as I said, this is an unboxing video. I did want to show you exactly what this is all about. So if I get this up to the camera, you can see it there. It looks absolutely gorgeous, in my opinion. I think it looks really, really good. And of course, you can draw comparisons, as you know, for size. This is a very effective way of storing cryptocurrency from a size point of view. As far as, you know, you can put currency on there. You can store your Bitcoin there. So I just want to show you what actually did there. Because when I got the package, I was like, how the hell did you get this off? It wasn't too clear. But there's an explanation here. What you have to do is remove the transparent film. It says it protects the film on both sides, so you have to remove that from both sides of this, and then you turn it around and you can see an explanation here. This is the Bitcoin address of the coin. visible on the backside as a QR code. There is the Denarium hologram. Shows you it's a genuine Denarium product. Number 4, the actual coin. The coin is visible from both sides, but still protected by clear plastic surface. And then number 5, the EAN13 standard barcode, which is down there. Now, as I said, you don't really have to take this out, I don't believe, anyway, because you've got the QR code and you've got all that there. And you probably really should be keeping this all nice in the presentation box. But it's an unboxing. I did want to show you what it was all about. So, you know, the way that I've got it there, I've obviously got this, the B round the wrong way there. But yeah, I would say that this is pretty fantastic. So before I look at it at the end, I just want to quickly go over everything that's included in the box, because there is quite a lot there. So it was quite well packaged there. It comes in a bag there. You've got a little thank you note with licorice. That's, you know, quite nice. You've got stickers. You've got some cryptocurrency cards here. That's pretty cool. You've got your little brochure of what the company is all about. And then there's, that's just a link to the terms and conditions and all that, privacy policy. And it was all contained within this made in Finland bag. Enjoy your Denarium product. So I think from a presentation point of view, everything's on point. I mean, the box, if I can get this out, the box looks fantastic. It's a really nice presentation box. And all of this goes a long way if you're buying this as a gift. And then you've got the user manual, and this does explain what this is all about, how you use it, adding funds to your coin. It's all explained there. Everything's explained in the manual. But as far as the coin itself, getting focus there, it's there. 2018 Denarium. And there's the code in the back as well. I'm sure someone's watching this saying that they could probably try and hack this, but I have no funds in it whatsoever. So yeah, overall, I'm quite impressed by this. I have saw these before, as I said. I saw a lot of these in Las Vegas, and I always thought they were really, really cool. And now I've got that upside down in the presentation box, but that's all good. So I hope you've enjoyed learning about Denarium's physical Bitcoin. I'm sure you will agree that this is one cool looking product. But it's not just cool. I think that the whole package is put together really well. From a user friendliness point of view, they've got the user manual that explains what's on the back of the card here, explains what everything means, explains how you even open it, which is something I wasn't sure about for a second. And the user manual showed you how to check funds, how to add funds, etc. So that's all good from that point of view. And I think from a security point of view, they've set it up really well as far as the activation goes, because they send the email separately, and then there's a code here. So it's like a two-part system as far as security goes. So in that regard, I think that they're handling, you know, the setup and the package and all that. I think they've handled that really well, and they've put it together really well. From a presentation point of view, I think that this looks quite nice in the box. I think it's a nice little touch. Certainly if you're buying this for someone as a gift, birthday present, Christmas, whatever. And if you're buying this for someone in crypto, or just trying to get them into crypto, I think this is a little bit of a different gift. You know, it's not just a t-shirt. It's not just, you know, something generic that people get all the time. This is something a little bit unique, a little bit more niche. So if you're struggling to find something to buy someone and they're involved in crypto, or you think this would be a really cool idea, yeah, I think this is a really nice package. So yeah, from a security point of view, from a package, it's all put together really well. It's a really nice presentation, and the box and the actual coin look great. A little bit of a shame that I had to open all this up, because I could have gave it to someone else, but you know, I thought it was important to show you guys what this was actually like, and show you in detail what the coin is like from a physical point of view as well. So if you want to learn more about it, please do visit their website, and you can see it there, denarium.com. There is a host of different packages there. You've got the gold plated collection, the premium collection. Get them a gold bar if you're flush with cash as well. So they've got a lot of different options there. The one that I picked up is the most affordable. The one I've got is the one that's €29.90. I think that's quite a fair price for a product like this. €29.90 plus VAT. So yeah, it's a relatively inexpensive gift, and for what you get, I think it's a good package overall. So many thanks to Denarium for sending me this. I do appreciate it, and hopefully you guys have a better understanding of what you can expect when you buy something like this. Very cool gift, very good collectible as well, if you want to do that. So thanks for watching, guys. Please do stay tuned. I will do another live stream soon, and I will continue to do reviews of the cryptocurrency hardware wallets. Thanks for watching. If you get any comments, please do put them below, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Take care.